And overnight, another critical breakthrough in the fight against the coronavirus. The FDA cleared Regeneron's antibody treatment for emergency use, giving patients with mild to moderate symptoms a boost to fight the virus.
We have shown that it works best in the patients who have not yet made their own.
All right, I'm going to walk away from this video for a second and talk to you guys. That was NBC News, and they are lying. I got the links in the description to prove that they're lying. They just said the FDA approved Regeneron, and they didn't. And they're proof positive, and the links in the description. This shit is the therapeutic that they're trying to give as an alternative to the vaccine for quote-unquote the COVID-19 virus. Okay. But if you look at the links in the description, you'll see that this therapeutic drug is made from genetically modified rats. And that's how I'm going to sum it up. Y'all can read it into it yourself, but it's you read into it and you'll see that what I'm saying is true. It's a great summary of what this thing is. This drug is made from genetically modified rats. Okay. So first of all, Babylon, Mystery Babylon, which includes the Vatican, CIA, Washington, D.C., Mossad, State of Israel, KGB, the Kremlin, London, the throne of Britain, which is the usurped fake throne of Britain, on and on and on, all across the board, all you criminals that run this Babylon system. First of all, it is a violation of I Rastafari's faith to put any of that trash in us, because we know where it comes from, whether it's other big pharma or whether it's this big pharma in the links in the description. But furthermore, for it to be made from abominable creatures that cause disease, and furthermore, it's made from a double abomination of you genetically modifying the creature that God created for a certain reason. The rat, the mice, and so on. Okay, so you're changing the creation, that's unlawful. And then you are giving people something that you're calling medicine or a therapeutic substance as a solution for something that's not even harming them at all, which is the coronavirus. Okay. Furthermore, all of the patents on all of these plant viruses and human viruses, so-called human viruses, are all designed and patented. Okay. This is through genetic engineering, gene tech companies. Gene tech is actually in the link in the description as one of the companies teaming up with, I think it's Pfizer or Merck. I can't remember which, or Roche. No, it's Roche. The pharmaceutical company Roche teamed up with a biotech company called Gene Tech, I think. All biotech companies are unlawful and should be shut down immediately and abolished. If you're making genetically modified animals, crops, etc., you should be shut down and abolished, because we know the whole world of living men and women know damn well what Monsanto is and what they've done to people. That just for an example. And that's why the Nazi eugenicist company Bayer, or however you want to say it, bought up Monsanto to keep their projects rolling. Okay, because this is all one giant eugenicist system, and it all needs to be shut down and abolished. And they're always talking out of both sides of their mouth. Like the WHO has just admitted that that lockdowns aren't going to help anything. Well, they've been pretty instrumental in helping the destruction of the economy through lockdowns from the get-go of this whole thing. So it's time for y'all to wake up, snap out of it, and start calling it like it is. You know, it doesn't have to be so complicated. These people are criminals. They're breaking the law. They're not only breaking legal code, which they will be liable for under their own fucking words on Uniform Commercial Code, but they're breaking the law of the land, which is morality and righteousness and truth, liberty and justice for all nations, tribes, and tongues. Period. Okay. And so there it is. Links is in the scripts below. Pass this on. Share this video. Short and sweet. In the name of Jesus Christ, y'all be blessed. Jah Rastafari. Fight down war and crime. Fight down war and crime. Rasta fight down war and crime and build up righteousness.